Thanksgiving. Yes, sir. Charma. In Jamaica, we eat a turkey.
Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Yes, guys, it is a Friday in real time, and we are out here in the streets. Me and the hubby, we're taking the streets by storm.
By storm.
And hubby is taking me on a daytime date. You guys would not believe where he is taking me for a daytime date. A lot of women would think that this is grounds for divorce, for your husband to be taking you to a place as such for a date. But guys, before we make any judgment, before you see God, then see the devil, yeah, before you make a judgment, you guys are going to see the fact that going to this spot is not necessarily a bad thing. Guys, we are heading to the supermarket. We're heading to the supermarket for our date day. Today is Friday, and Friday is usually the day, well, it's becoming a tradition for us as a couple, where Friday is going to be the day when we kind of splurge a little bit in terms of eating.
I don't know what you're talking about.
If you're following our little journey and our little, changes that we've been making, his weight loss journey, our health improvement journey, you would have seen that for the most part we have cut out a lot. So on Fridays, yes, we are going to be, doing something.
You cheat day.
Yeah, cheat day, for lack of a better term.
But you can't cheat by me doing it.
So guys, stay tuned. You have to stay tuned to see what we're going to the supermarket to do and what we're going to the supermarket to get. Alright? Don't go nowhere. Whoa, why is it sideways? So we're rolling up to our date spot.
I don't know what's wrong with this lady. You say you want something, I'm carrying you to get it. What kind of day spot?
Do not to lie on me. You said you're taking me for my date.
I'm not taking it for me. Now you say you want something, I'm gonna get it for you.
I hear. Get ready. We're going on a date.
Wow. That is it. That is it.
Food time. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's all about Food Town. Food Town is where it's at today for our big day date. So yeah.
I'm done.
Oh.
She forced me to get something. Come down here. Don't want to come down here. She.
You have more? Okay. I've one out fish fillet with rice and peas.
I take them with food here and
One,
food and cabbage.
no,
I can't see it good, but that's a stew peas. That's why we are here for the stew peas.
Put the same as I did it. Yeah. So we do it, you know.
with rice and peas, and then I'll get
That's where I travel out of port.
chicken with rice and peas.
You guys can't see the food good because the steam
See what you want.
is blocking it.
Yes, please.
Huh?
Curry chicken.
These ladies always treat us so good.
I get like a half a
Open the
pound.
boxes. One food,
Oh, you can do the pork alone.
Prices are very inexpensive, you guys. If you can see. trying to zoom in so you can see the average price. Oxtail $16.99, pork $11.99, goat $11.99, fish fillet $5.99. So guys, you may recognize the supermarket because we've been in here many times and we've done videos in here many times. This is the famous food town, yeah. And we got the food. This is the food. That's two food. And like I was saying, we are going to show you guys the amount of food that we got and tell you the total that we spent for the food. It's a lot of food. The food is good. What else? Salmon. Yeah, you would not expect to get the quality food that they serve in the supermarket in a supermarket. So we're not gonna see it. Wait. Alright guys, so we just got back from the restaurant. And we're gonna do an unbagging to show you guys what all we got from the store, the restaurant. Yeah, so we ended up buying 2 meals, which equates to a lot of meals. All right, so first we have some cabbage.
But you have to tell them why we buy 2 meals. Because we don't go that far every day.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you guys, this is not in our area. It's like about an hour drive to get there. We don't go there very often, so if we go there we usually pick up 2 meals, and so we have meals for quite a bit of, you know, of time.
A day.
Many days, right? Because they serve a lot of food, which is very rare in, you know, the community. Jamaican food, a lot of Jamaican food is something that you don't see very often. All right, so this is the cabbage, and they serve the different meals or dishes rather separate. So that's the cabbage.
No, that's because we asked them to.
Right. Yeah. So that's the cabbage, the steamed cabbage. And we ordered stew peas, which is the real reason why we went there. They only have it on Friday. Yeah.
Me interrupting and keeping it because I want to make sure they get this right.
Yeah. So they only have the stew peas on Fridays. That's why he opted to do the date day on Friday.
But you keep telling the people about date. Guys, she said she wanted the food. She wanted the stew peas. And she said the baby I got market, she in get the stew peas.
Really?
Yeah, now that's what you said.
I did not tell you nothing about no market and no baby. That's not even possible, right? You know. All right, so this is the stew peas. Watch them really wrap it.
Just cut it off.
You need to cut it. All right. So they serve the meat kind separate in this container. I don't even know how big this container is, but it's big.
Right there.
Big.
Why we're using the small lens.
So that is the stew peas. Ta-da! I'm gonna say it's full. It is full. I don't know what kind of meat is in there yet. First time we're gonna be trying the stew peas. Never had it before. So yeah. And then it comes with the food, which again is in the separate box. And we went ahead and took ground provision with it, which of course most people gonna say it's whack because stew peas and rice is like one and cheese. Can't eat one without the other, right?
That's how Jamaicans eat it.
Yeah. So she served the food separate. Oh, you said no dumpling? Or they didn't have any?
I don't remember.
Really?
So up here, your mama not gonna give it. You have to go make that dumpling.
Who?
You.
No. So yeah, we only got that. The dumpling yam and banana. Wow. Alright, so for the second food, hopefully there is somebody. The second one feel light. Lord. I don't know what is going on today. Maybe they didn't have any. Because usually she would ask what you want in there. But they didn't ask and we didn't say. Uh-oh. Only banana and yam in both. That's crazy. Wow. Alright, so that is that. And then the second meal was curry chicken. So this is the curry chicken for that food where we just opened a while ago. Same treatment. One big container of curry chicken. It look good. It look really, 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 really good. So if we were to try to serve a plate of food from this, about 4 or 5 times you can get meal out of this and be comfortable. So I like it. I like it. Yeah. What do you think, babe?
I think it's great. You understand? It's way more value because I mean, look at the price of the stew peas. The stew peas was like $8.
Yeah. Oh, some places when you buy a stew peas, this is a large stew peas. When you buy a large stew peas at some restaurants, it's almost $18. These two food, all of this food I will just show you, come up to $18 for both. So it's a no-brainer. Yeah. And I was just joking about it being a day date, guys. Psych. You got caught. Yeah. So we definitely planned to go and, try it because we wanted to taste the stew peas. So, yeah. Maybe I should just taste it now. See? Let me taste it. Still warm. Still a little bit warm. Just taste the food. It's very good in terms of the flavor. The flavors are on point, but it's a little bit on the salty side. But that's usually the case a lot of times with stew peas. But as I said, in terms of how it tastes and the flavor notes, awesome. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's random spontaneous video. Keep watching Yardie TV and remember always to like, rate, subscribe and comment and let us know what is your favorite Jamaican spot to get cooked Jamaican food. Alright? Walk good, take care and live and laugh. Go street and eat. A joke. Cook and eat.